Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T40 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in the left section we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll down and localize the option tablet ringtone and tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got this pop-out window with pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top, we've got the option none, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option add ringtone, and you will be transferred to your own files. If you've got something, for example, downloaded, then you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone, of course, if it is compatible. But I will pick something from pre-installed ringtones, and if you wish to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So, oh my god, I'm so sorry. I should have checked the level of volume. Oh my god, it's really loud. I mean, this device is really loud. So basically, this is how it works. What happened? Okay. Let's pretend I'd like to set this field trip to be set as my ringtone. So all we have to do in that kind of case, we have to make sure that the option we would like to use is marked. So in my case, field trip, and tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, and it means that from now on, our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.